Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on Depop. So firstly, let us just choose something to buy. So let us, for example, choose Adidas shorts. Let's try buying these. Weird color, but anyway, press on buy now. And guys, something I have to tell you is that depending on the region of your country, PayPal might be or not be available for you. So depending on where you live, which country, maybe PayPal is completely blocked or unavailable in your country. So depending on where you live, as you can see at the checkout, you might or might not have it. So for example, as you can see in my case, it's missing. So I can either pay with my credit card and also with Klarna. And also something I've noticed is that not every purchase in here that you make actually has the option for PayPal or even Klarna. So for example, okay, so I chose these. Let us go back and I will choose something else. And maybe we will have something different in our basically payments method. So buy now. Okay, so it's still the same, I think. Yeah, it's still the same. So guys, pretty much this varies by your region, by your country, and it varies actually by the item you're trying to buy. So keep that in mind. But in general, when you start checking out, so for example, let's say you chose this skirt in here, you want to buy now, then you're starting to check out, and PayPal is going to be right here where we have the payment type, okay? So instead of a credit card like I have it here, you will have your PayPal. So guys, if this helped, enjoy the video, like and subscribe and click the bell to not miss the fresh uploads.